Boys, right away, move the ball, okay? Just move the ball right away. Move the ball right away. Move it. Yes. 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 Good. Yes.
Keep them harder.
Up. Please foul.
Just step up, let Luka have it. Step up, step up. Edge, come over here. Edge, come here. Up here.
Boys, give me it. Watch that guy. Yeah, Adam, watch your guy. Good hand, Sam.
Hold on, Luka. Drop key. Nothing behind, boys, nothing behind. Good, Luka.
Win it, Noah, win it. Yes, Noah.
And Noah, nice work.
Yes, go give me.
Shape, boys, shape. Keep the shape. Good, hands, good.
Win it,
You gotta help now.
Yes, move it. Go to me.
Luka, you're deep. Luka, you're too deep. Good, Angelo, well done.
Jump him. Go now. Yes, Noah, go.
Deep first. Yes, Luka. Win it.
Unlucky ball, heads up, play.
That's you, Angelo. Good, Angelo. Take that, Eshawn. Let's go.
Just like that. Good job, man. Okay, hustle in, boys. Who we got? We're bunched. We're all in the same space, White. Let's move. Let's take our position.
Eshawn, let's go higher.
Boys. Noah, you're in the middle. Come on, buddy. Then you gotta go back.
Get in front of it.
Good. Up the D. Commit, boys.
We're just chasing. We can't be chasing.
Move the ball. Yes, Jacob. Step.
Eshawn. Stay up top. The ball. Stay there.
Move the ball. Move the ball.
Are you good?
Behind you, John.
Ref subs. Ref subs.
Just wait, please. Wait.
Both sides.
Wait till he's off.
Wait till he's off.
Thanks, guys. Well done, guys. Nice work, Dylan.
I thought he said wait. Hold that shape, boys. Hold that shape.
Hand on.
Okay, now get Leo, get tight. T, get wider.
Wait, John.
Liam, you gotta come more in the middle, Liam. You gotta be more in the middle.
What's the point? Outside, John, outside.
Drop.
Liam and Danny, get tighter. Liam and Danny, get
Oh,
tighter.
you better run a lot more.
6 players on the field. Nice work, Sam. Again with him.
No, last player. Go. Yes.
So the men's and women's, they go like 5 a set. It's pathetic. I still think it's too many because it's half of what you have in a full size pitch. And then you're using a quarter. Probably get away with 4 plus a game. Yeah.
Yes. Now right away. Go hard.
Stay in this, everybody. Yes, no, you want to play on the wing.
Noah!
Michael, step! Step back! Step back! Yes, Isa! Pass, Isa! Pass! Yes, Isa! Step, Isa! Yes, Isa!
Are you going to sub that away? I'll sub that away.
Hurry, get higher!
Ref subs!
Mike!
Ref subs!
Danny! Yeah,
Wait, he's not off yet. He's not off yet.
Danny!
Liam, let's go!
John!
Good job, John. Right court.
Great corner. Just over there.
Look at Ari! Good!
Watch out!
Now check up. Center. Isa, that's you. Step, Isa. Isa, control center.
Well done, T!
Yes, Demid. Demid, watch where you pass. Yes, Isa. Go, over. Go. Демид, так больше не делай, Демид. Не обматывай никого, дай пас и все. Move it, yes. Step, you gotta step to the ball. Go.
You want to play center of the field, right? Stay tight in the middle. When we get the ball, then we'll move out a little bit. Arun, all the space in the middle. They can't find a pass. You got to be in there. There you go.
Step up.
Ref subs.
Adam!
Let's go, boy. Fantastic.
Amar, get wider, come on.
Press. Get back. Center mid. Stay back, Isa. Yes.
Ari, follow this guy. Let's get our shape now. Amar, come wide.
Drop, Erdem. You gotta run, Erdem. Let's go. Who's in the middle? Isa, that's you. Yes. Yes, Demid. Good turn, Demid. Yes.
get a goal, take both teams.
We get you guys in now.
Arnie!
Left subs.
Wait till he's off, guys. Wait till he's off.
Yes. Out, out, Dimit. Yes, Dimit. Yes. Yeah.
Good green, yeah.
That's you, Dimit. Dimit, that's you. Win it. Win it, Dimit. Yes, Jacob. Move it. Yes, move. Yes, move. Move. Up. Step. Yes. Well done, team. Yes. Move. 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 Yes. Yes. Move the ball. Yes. Move the ball.
Same two teams on the next picture.
Move. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Move. Right away. Yes. Go.
You guys ready? Okay, wait until your player comes off.
Clark! Team! What? Yeah.
Just wait. Wait, steady rolling on the wrist. I know, but you can't play football. Hey.
Lamar, you're on.
You can't play football.
Jason, let's go. John, I want you to be aggressive. You gotta be hungry, bro. Hungry. You want to score. Isa. Because Daniel can't play.
That's John.
You ready, John?
One way.
One, John. Go.
One way.
Yes, John. Yes, John. Adam, that's you. Adam, you. Hey, move. Move the ball!
Good job, Sam.
Yeah. Move!
Good decision, Sam. Well done.
Oh, to me. Ref subs!
Hold on. Wait till they come off.
No, yeah, we'll get him. Good job. Hey, you left wing. You are left wing. Okay, so we need some energy from you. Up and down the wing. Yeah, that's right. You're going to help out both ways, bud. Who are you taking? Demid is a defender. He's a defender. But if you think you're fast enough, you can try to play midfield and midfield. Okay? If you've got the energy to do it, you can play both easily, like a wingback, right? Control. Yes, John. C8.
Ref subs!
Oh, heads up, Johnny. Go now, John. Go. Help out. Help out. Michael, look across. John's got his goal for the season.
Ref subs.
Michael, well done. Good finish. You should have demanded that for a tap-in, John. Let's hear your voice, okay? Good job, dude.
Third up, stay, third up. What's the clear?
That's John, you take it. John, you take it.
Third up.
You got it.
Right
You got
side,
it.
right side.
You got it. Go ahead.
You shot.
Quick.
Yes, good. Good, John. Open, John.
Okay, now stay in the space here, John, yeah?
Into
Here you go.
space. Good. Yeah, that's you, Jacob.
Now stay outside, stay outside. Ask, you can demand that if he's got a time. Don't go too far, John, now you're hiding. There you go. That's the way. Time, Sam, time. Done, well done.
Yes. Liam, you're too wide! Liam, you're too wide!
Daddy!
You should be there already!
One more big run, John. You got him, C8. In case they get the ball, you're on 8. You're on 8, John.
Turn out!
Beef!
Good job, Johnny. Fantastic. Go get Chris. Turn him! That's a good foul! Yeah, wall! Get ready to run! Get ready to push! Get ready to run!
Beware, Sammy.
And get ready to run, boys! Right away!
Possession, Sam. Possession, Sam. That's good.
Ref subs!
Heads up.
That's okay, that's okay.
Martin. No. Martin, no.
Martin! Come here! Martin!
Go ahead and follow up the play.
Michael, who's taking you? I didn't say you.
Yeah, you're still on, dude.
Wait till your players are out first. You're going to take Martin. No calls. You're the same, bro.
Yeah. You're gonna take Martin. Let's work this play. No, he's not a striker. He's a defense. Yes. You're gonna take Martin on in the next whistle. No, Martin's not a striker. Is he? Let's wait. No, Martin's okay,
Good
take
job,
him.
Sam.
Yeah, go to the striker.
Sub ref.
Sub ref. Martin, come. Martin, come. Come, yes. I'll tell you why. Come here. I'll tell you why.
What position are you playing? What position? You don't know.
Well,
Yeah, you're fine. That's right. That's right. You are striker, yes.
They don't need a lot of help on the back end, so.
ref subs.
idea how much time left, Dylan?
That's you, Jimmy.
4 minutes left. Okay. Yours is better than mine. I didn't start it. Yeah. Halftime was a little longer than needed. Do you know if there's another set of matches after these? Yeah. Yeah, I realize it's Friday, but it's still getting late.
Good, Jacob. Yes. Yes. Yeah, Jimmy. Yes. Go.
Good balance. Again, boys, well done. Yep. Good. Right ball.
Here, you.
Blow your whistle then. Blow
Look
your
at
whistle.
Lisa, Jacob. Look at Lisa. Lisa.
Subs.
Wait, John. That's right. Well done, boys. Good job, Noah.
Chase.
Don't ever let yourself do that. Don't ever say Now, if they want to sub quickly, like it's an offensive team attacking and it's a defensive sub, then you can
Sub ref. Jimmy. That's way more. Good job.
never the right answer.
Can I take it?
That's it, boys.